Oh my goodness, look y'all. I'm in Shreveport. I don't know what to do. I'm not sure what to do, y'all. Look at that. This is my first time coming here. I just put like $10 in this machine. Come on, what is that? Give me something good. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ooh, that should have been a good one, right? Ooh, what is that? Come on. Come on. Give me something good. Oh, I don't know what that means. What did I win? I don't know what I won, y'all. Oh, $6? Look at that. Come on. Chicken wings. Oh, I won $10. I don't know how to claim it though. Oh, look at this. $9.90. I think if I had been on more money, I would have had one more. Free spin. This kind of reminds me of the, what's it called? The Moo Cow game. Oh, come on. Unlock something. Okay, what is that? That's nothing. Come on, I need the wows. Damn. Line up. Y'all, I have no idea what I'm doing. Look at this. Come on. Ah, this is crazy. Alright, y'all, that's it for that one.